there's other members. Boom, 8 boom.
Yeah. Look at our real life billiards.
Legal.
Legal
billiards, guys. We are legal. We're doing this legal.
Hey, let's go. Hey, let's go, Ligaya. Hey.
Ba't ako naka-side eye? Si Miranda.
I love the way you take it slow. You make this light inside me glow. You're the only one who knows me. Saturate me when I'm gray until all my colors show. I get lost in those hazy eyes. I'm in love with these lazy nights. So maybe we can stay back, lay back here and enjoy the ride.
107.5 Elementary pa lang, napapansin na nila mga gawi kong parang hindi pa babae kasi
Go.
But even when Saturday ends, I know I'll see you again. I don't wanna feel it now. I just wanna chill under the northern lights with you.
And because Saywata has been a big challenge for everyone this year, we will be interviewing some of our WATA members with the question, what do you like about WATA?
What do you like about WATA?
So basic, you can see here. Ang basic.
Oh.
Food.
Food.
Yan.
Okay.
Tapos libre pa.
Okay, libre pa. Oh, next. What do you like about WATA?
As you can see, like Luisa, I also believe that if we work hard, and the reason why I like WATA is because of our food. So if we work hard, we will get our food.
Okay.
So if we don't work hard, we
What do you like about WATA?
kapag nandun siya.
Okay, next. What do you like about WATA?
I like WATA because it's WATA.
Bakit?
Yeah, because it's WATA nga. So I like WATA because it's WATA.
Okay, next. What do you like about WATA?
I don't know. Because it's WATA.
Coach! May tanong po kami. Dito po kayo para may liwanag pa yan. What do you like about WATA, Coach?
The members.
Okay, pati game. Oh, what do you like about WATA?
The food.
The food.
Joke lang, huy. The members.
The food.
Sabihin nila, fake ako.
The members daw. Ate G, what do you like about WATA?
What I like about WATA, the support I get from them.
May sasabihin daw siya, guys.
The arm
supportive and seems like a mother figure. Ay guys, ako lang to. Wait, sorry guys, ako lang to. Kinikilig lang.
Ang ganda niya pa. Hi, Lorian Jimena. We have a question for you. What do you like about Wata? Yung members.
Members.
You like
Members lang!
Tapos, sabi po tapos si Coach.
Okay. Oh, next.
I like how we're all multi-talented. And I thank you.
Ay! She's from Miss Universe. Oh, next.
Oh, I love Saya Wata!
Ate, what do you like about Wata?
I love the people, the coaches. Wow, walang music. What else? The community, because we're always, there for each other. We always love each other. Kahit may mali.
Ate Charlie, what do you like about Wata?
I love how Wata shares one dream, one passion, one love for dance and performance.
Clara, what do you like about Wata?
The Ates.
The yellow band! Isha, what do you like about Wata?
I like Wata because I use it as an escape whenever I have my hard days. When life gets difficult, I have Wata.
July, what do you like about Wata?
Just the teammates and the feeling of competing on the stage.
Yun lang?
And the food.
In food!
Malapit sa conference.
Yun ah?
Okay.
Okay, let's go,
What I like
Ella.
about Sayawara is that I'm able to be in a different environment than I'm usually in, like in school. I'm able to be like, be myself, be happy,
Be
confident,
happy.
and that.
So,
I love Sayawara because I love my teammates.
opak, yan. Ate, may tanong po ako.
Ano yun?
Ay, wait, mga yellow batch po ba kayo? Ay,
Yellow kami.
ay, yellow. Okay, ate, so may tanong po kami para sa inyo.
Ano yan?
So, ano po yung gusto nyo pong sabihin sa Wata bago po matapos yung taon ngayon?
Hindi naman to sa vlog eh.
Hindi vlog niya.
Alam pa na.
Manga Ate. It's not what you think.
Starts the letter S.
What is S? Two words. What is two words? Starbucks.
Ganda kasi ng atin last year. Kaya tulungan na lang. So, ano nga? Ikaw.
So, ano po ba?
Okay. Ay, mag-spoke. Sige. Ikaw na lang. To the Wata family or Wata family. We just wanna say thank you kasi sobrang nag-effort kayo this school year na gumaling. And para lumaki din yung pagka-love nyo in dancing. So, natutuwa rin ako na we grow together as dancers and as schoolmates din, friends. That stuff. Sobrang thankful talaga ako kasi nandyan kayo para sa amin, para sa akin. Tapos, parang wala lang. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako. Tapos, gusto ko lang sabihin na good job sa inyong lahat, guys. Kasi kinaya niyo yung school year at mas lumakas kayo. Grabe yung improvement niyo from day 1 to now. So, keep it up, guys. And let's go for the goal.
Yeah! Thank you po ko, Captain. Next!
I love you guys.
Ay! Thank you, Ate Jan. Next, Ate Kai. Let's go.
Wata. Wata. My only family. It made life more lively. And I have never wanted something so lovingly. But it taught me so many hardly and still left me a good impactly. Wata family.
Wata family. And I thank you. Okay, Ate Cash. Ate Cash, hindi pwede, hindi Ate.
Ora.
Okay, Ate Cash.
Yes.
Okay. Ay, sorry. Captain muna. Ay, captain mo. Ay, sige.
Captain is for the finale, ma.
Ah,
Ay, for the finale. Save the best for the last.
Alright.
Okay, let's go. Ate, kasi tinatanong ko po yung mga seniors kung ano yung gusto nyong sabihin sa WATA bago matapos yung taon ngayon.
Tuwasa.
Tuwata. Tuwata. The whole WATA. Kahit mga coach.
Your ates will always be here for you, and we will always be your family. And happy family, and we got you some Jollibee. Yeah.
Ang ngiti, di na nga mapakali.
Thank you, Ate Cass. The end, the finale. Opa. Let's go, Ate. Uy. Hala, Ate. Ate. Ikaw na po.
Okay, to the WATA people.
Hey. Hey, pa-pretty mo na.
Talaga. Guys, I know I'm nonchalant and everything. Kid kasi ako. But I love you. I love you guys, except Jan Perez. And I'm very proud of each and every one of you. Kasi every time na napanood ko kayo sumayaw, ay, seryoso, nag-goosebumps talaga ako kayo. Wow. Ako nga pala guys, si Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, guys.
Iba-vlog ko yung mansion ko.
So, ano meron sa mansion mo?
Ito yung living room.
Ang laki
Ang laki ng living room. Malamang mansion eh.
Nature ata yung gusto mo sa living room mo, be?
Hindi mo ba alam?
Oh, bakit? Ano
Ako
yun?
yung last earthbender.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Anong pakiramdam sa buhay mo na last bender?
Ako
Ate, kung siya po earthbender, ikaw po, ano ka po? Ano lang po, ate?
Flower bender.
Ay, flower bender! Opa, flower bender!
This one is...
Baby,
kalma!
Ang daming tao. Hindi po yan lahat kalaban namin, pero halos karamihan kalaban namin. Ano lang?
I'm so nervous, but kaya naman. Okay, let's go. Let's go. We can do this. Please cheer for Sir Wata.
Matthew, you coach me.
Hi guys, so
Tongue reveal.
tongue reveal. So how's HHI?
I feel good.
I feel good. Chelsea, how's HHI? Saywata ganun. Ganun yung S. Bakit mukha siyang ba? Ay, ate, may tanong po ako sa inyo. Ha? Okay lang po ba siya? Joke lang po. May tanong po ako sa inyo. So, mga ate at kuya, what do you like about Saywata?
Well, first of all, gusto ko yung humor namin and I like dancing too. So I enjoy group routines and sumasayaw kami. I mean, I enjoy stage. The bonus lang yung mga comments. I love everyone at Saywata. Kakain ulit ako. Thank you.
Ay, kuya, ano po yung... Kuya, sino po nagpaiyak sa inyo, kuya? Kuya, ano po yung gusto niyo po sa Saywata?
Parang pamilya po yung Saywata. Kaya umiiyak ako kasi nami-miss ko na tatay ko.
Kuya, ano po message niyo po sa Saywata?
Ano? Ay, message.
Saranghe.
Sorry. We're going to accept passengers traveling with infants and small children. For the safety features of this aircraft, please watch the cabin crew mirrors. Facing the passengers. Flight attendants face the passengers. Stand still while holding the seatbelt.
Wait lang. Last day, everyone. Last day na po, guys.
Ito na nga eh. Medyo OA na naman.
Okay.
Okay, log na.
Apo.
Girls, come here.
Welcome.
God will do the rest.
Yeah. So, this is us right now, waiting for finals.
I've seen more crews this year. Nice to see some breakers back as well.
Super happy ako sa skill level ng mga dancers right now. Sobrang high caliber.
Sobrang lala ng competition. Sobrang galing ng lahat.
5.63. Third place. And going to Worlds is Sayawata. 6.61. Oh my god. Second place is A.
I'm about to cry. I'm about to cry.
With the reduction of 0. And a total score of 6.97. 2024 Philippine Hip Hop Dance Championships JV Negative Division Champions. Say what?
Ito na, promise.
Apa.
Good luck, Wata. I know that you can do this. And you know yourself that you can do this. So, just do your best every time. Enjoy. Don't forget to enjoy because that's what dancing is all about. Express yourselves and just do your best. And do it for yourselves and not for others. So guys, I love you.
Hey, let's go. Hey, coach. May tanong po. Coach, may tanong po ako. Ano po yung gusto niyo po sabihin sa Wata bukas? Para po bukas, before the competition.
Mahal ko kayo.
Kahit
ano mangyari, mahal ko. It's always more too fast. Like a trip to the beach. The life of dreams it kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow.
Ito naman si yung mukha niya.
Ay, sorry.
Cameraman namin.
Your hair looks longer than last year. There's so much I've been dying to know about you. But we've been distant. Is it too soon to call pretending it's to ask you what's new? And I hope we haven't lost our way, cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you